Hello everyone, so here we've taken a ponytail, then we are using this pin and then folding it out as you can see along with it and then converting it into this beautiful bun. Next we are taking a low pony and then using this fluffy purple pin and underneath it we are going to apply that. After that taking the remaining hair and then converting it into this simple bun. Next we are taking hair from both the sides and then securing it with the rubber band, folding it out once. Then we are taking all of the hair, converted it into a ponytail. Then and at last we are going to apply a rubber band as well. Then folding it out with the help of this bobby pin into a simple bun. Now you can apply any kind of pin to your hairstyle. Next we are taking a low ponytail, twisting it and then folding it into a round shape bun and thereby securing it with the help of this clutcher. Next we are taking a high ponytail, then we are going to apply a rubber band by taking a little part of it. Then at last we are going to again apply a rubber band. Then we have converted it into this puffed bun. Next we are taking all of the hair and then applying this rubber band, converted it into a low ponytail and then at last applying a rubber band as well and then folding it out into a bun with the help of this navy blue pin, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are taking a low ponytail and applying this black pin on it. Then we are going to fold the ponytail with the help of a rubber band and the same pin only. Next we are going to take all of the hair and by using our finger we are going to fold it into an elongated bun and applying this red pin on our hair. Next to our ponytail we are going to apply a pin underneath it and then taking all of the remaining hair of the pony and folding it out into this bun. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then we are going to loosen it up a bit. After that we are going to apply this pin at one side of our hair. Then we are going to loosen the hair, expanding them and using this pin and folding it into a bun. Next we are taking all of the hair and by using our finger we are going to twist them around into an elongated bun and then we are going to use this clutcher for holding the hair. Next we are taking all of the hair and then we are going to apply the pin underneath it. After that taking all of the remaining hair we have left with, we are going to fold it with the help of this black pin into a shape of this bun. Next we are taking this pin and applying it to our ponytail. We are applying a rubber band and folding it out with the help into a low shape bun and securing it with a pin.